Alright everybody, so we're going to do a quick unboxing video from the things I got at Walmart on December 31st, 2019, a few hours before New Year's. Hope you guys had a great New Year's, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching. Alright, so we're going to unbox the Sheffield sets real quick. I'll give you a little information on at least one of them. The hammer is a 14-in-1 hammer multi-tool. The hatchet is a 12-in-1 hatchet multi-tool. And then it's a folding lock back utility knife. Some of the information on the back is 12-in-1 hatchet multi-tool, axe head, multi-size hex key wrench, spike hammer, slotted screwdriver, fish scaler and ruler, soft file, wood saw, hook remover, knife, Phillips screwdriver, and a bottle opener. 14-in-1 hammer multi-tool has a linesman pliers, regular pliers, nail claw, wire cutter, Phillips screwdriver, wire stripper, bottle opener / small knife, drop point blade, large screwdriver, serrated blade and soft file, small slotted screwdriver, and the hammerhead. The folding lockback utility knife, lockback. Quick change blade mechanism for easy blade change, uses standard utility knife blades, stainless steel and hardwood handle with belt clip. It's got a warning, blade is extremely sharp, handle with care. Limited lifetime warranty. If for as long as you own this Sheffield product you find any defects in material or workmanship through normal use, either return it to the place of purchase or send it to Sheffield for repair or replacement at our discretion. In order to obtain this service, send your tool and proof of purchase transportation prepaid to Sheffield. It's got a little pre-notch right here. One of those easy packages, that's not bad. That's pretty easy. It's got scratches all over it, but you know, it's just a utility knife. The blade is definitely sharp. It's got a push button on the back. Hatchet could use a little sharpening. It's not very sharp, but the saw blade is pretty sharp. A nice positive spring. pretty a sharp saw blade. So it's definitely a little sharper. Liquid tape was just pretty easy to open. That one wasn't really hard at all. Still liquid, so that's a positive. Wire, it's easy as well. Just pop it open. And the scale, capacity 33 pounds by 0.1 ounces, 15 kilograms by 2 grams, 530 ounce by 0.1 ounces, and 15,000 grams by 2 grams. Glass platform resists stains and flavor carryover. When display is blocked by a larger container, press hold to lock in weight even after container is removed. Stainless steel accents add and weigh. Allows weighing multiple ingredients in one container. Closest thing I could find to what I needed for now. So this is what it comes in. Instruction manual does come with 2 AAA batteries. It's pretty small and compact. Comes with Daily Max extra heavy duty batteries. You know, just cheap generic knockoff batteries. Get the batteries open, there we go. Easy turn on and off. Just hold the button down. A few seconds, turns off. So that's everything that was picked up today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I hope you guys had a great New Year's. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.